Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a funded Solana wallet and local dev tools. Install Node, JSLTS and Solana CLI, then connect your wallet to DevNet for safe testing. Once done, clone the bot repository or scaffold a minimal project and open the terminal in the project root. Make sure to set environment variables for your wallet keypair path and API keys. This gets you past setup quickly, so you can run the bot and iterate without wasting time on repeat configuration steps. You now wire the bot to Solana, instantiate a connection to the chosen cluster, and set RPC with rate limits in mind. Then load a keypair from a secure file or environment secret so the bot can sign transactions. Avoid exposing raw keys. Next, implement the core loop. Subscribe to accounts or logs, build transactions with correct instructions, and include a retry/backoff strategy for failed sends. Make sure to simulate on DevNet first, because testing reveals edge cases in mempool timing and fee estimates. You finish by validating the bot under load and then switching clusters to mainnet only after passing DevNet checks. Deploy with monitoring that tracks signature confirmations, latency, and error rates, and set alerts for repeated failures. If transactions fail, inspect RPC response codes, confirm your fee payer has enough SOL, and verify recent block hash handling or non-C usage. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see frequent timeouts, rotate RPC endpoints and add exponential backoff. This fixes many transient failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.